right, so Bob's in to talk about the forecast, and you're saying we have one more hot day.
One more hot day.
And then pretty big
Much like
cool down
yesterday.
I am
coming.
excited for this weekend. I think it'll be nice.
I'm excited just because it's Friday. I could care
that
less
too.
what the weather is on a Friday, as long as it's on a Friday.
There you go.
Really. Let's take a look at yesterday's weather in review, our time lapse from on top of the Weather Service office out at the airport. Much of the day was sunny and pretty warm. A little bit of smoke moved in later in the day, however. Here's our weather headlines. One more hot day, a cooling trend after today. Windy on Saturday. Saturday could be some interesting weather. We are going to get some wind, so it could pick up some of those fires. That one burning around Riggins, that might be a bit of a problem for that one. But also this cold front that's moving through, that's picking up the winds, could produce some showers well to the northwest up around Washington State, so it might help out the fire situation there. And much cooler next week. Speaking of the winds, we got all kinds of advisories in effect because of the winds and air quality issues. Let's talk about a few of them in the region. A high wind watch in effect for portions of Oregon, another one further to the north. So definitely some windy conditions up there. Air quality issues around Baker City. Oregon DEQ has them in the orange today. And there's a fire weather watch in effect for our east central mountains, including Chalice. That's in effect because of the winds we're expecting on Saturday, and also the low relative humidities as well. Let's check out some of those current readings outside. Humidity pretty low even at this hour of the morning, where it's normally the highest, 27%. Winds, a little bit of a breeze out there at 10 miles per hour, and very mild, 72 degrees for this Friday, August the 28th, forecasting a high of 96 degrees, exactly 10 degrees above normal for this time of the year, and a mild overnight low of 69 degrees. Satellite map has a low pressure system just off the northwest coast, southwesterly flow ahead of it. There's our cold front pushing some showers into the Portland area and Seattle area. For us, just a little bit of cloud cover from time to time, generally a mostly sunny day, but the clouds will be increasing late in the day. You can see that on our futurecast. There's 10:30 tonight. And as we move a little farther into Saturday, there's our frontal system pushing on through. That's right before 5 o'clock, so anywhere between about 2 and 6 p.m. that front pushing on through. Winds picking up, especially windy between about noon and 6. I think the strongest winds will be about right around 4:30 or so. That's what our future cast says. Our future wind will pause it here Saturday at noon, strongest winds, and then it looks like they'll peak out right around 3:30, 4:30 or so, and then die down in the early morning hours. So here's what we're looking at as far as the forecast. First down for the Magic Valley, mostly sunny skies, high at 94. For Sun Valley, mostly sunny, some smoke, some isolated showers, also a possibility. And for the Long Valley up in McCall and Cascade, increasing clouds with some smoke ahead of the cold front. And then here for the valley, we're looking at a high of 96 for today. Mostly sunny much of the day, but clouding up later in the day. Then decreasing clouds after cloudy skies on Saturday morning. And then behind that cold front, it will clear up. The winds will be picking up, though, and then some much cooler air moves in for Sunday on into Monday. Cool a good portion next week as another low-pressure trough moves in by Wednesday and Thursday. That's local weather.